Chef Nano here. Now today we're going to make some 5 cheese lasagna. And the first thing I'm going to do is mix some ricotta cheese. I got 32 ounces, right, of ricotta. You throw 2 eggs in there. Set up real good. Then we throw the cheese in there, and it's 1 cup of Romano cheese, fresh Romano. Okay, so we got the noodles boiling in water in the pot. Once it's boiling, sprinkle a little bit of salt in there. Then after they're cooked, don't overcook them. They're kind of al dente because they're going to cook more when you bake them in the oven. But take them and rinse in cold water. You have to rinse the noodles in cold water and then put them in a drainer and let them dry and get ready to put them in the lasagna. The ricotta cheese on here, and it'll spread out once I get it with I use a little smaller spoon to get it out. Now we put the mozzarella, and this is it's half and half. It's a total of 6 cups of shredded cheese, but it's half Asiago and half mozzarella. This layer, what I did is go 2 different directions, and what I did here, I just cut them shorter so they fit perfect right in here. There you go. And that's all set. Now we're all set for the next layer. The ricotta in there like we did on the last one, like we did before. And the cheeses, it's 5 cheeses. It's Asiago, mozzarella, Parmesan, Romano, and then the 5th one is the ricotta cheese. Now, this is the second layer. Now we put the sauce on there. This is our 3rd and last layer. And I got a small piece at the end because the noodles were a little bit too short for the size of the pan. I'm going to spread this out real good. For the last of the cheese on there, mozzarella. This is going to be very cheesy. Finish it off. We put the sauce. We put another layer of noodles on top, and then sauce on top at the end. Cover go with foil, and I put a sheet pan underneath in case it leaks. You don't want anything leaking in the oven. Lasagna's ready to take out. Looking good. Mamma mia, that looks so good. And I'm going to cut a slice. You can cut all the way down. It cooled off about almost half hour. Got a nice sized piece. There we go, look at that. Looking good. Okay, got a little cheese there, runny. Sprinkle a little Parmesan Romano. Parmesan Romano, you can use that, it's easy to get at the store. Put a little sauce on there. good, very cheesy. Manja manja.